Hey everyone, welcome back to Boundless with Shalu, your go to place for honest skincare reviews and no fluff product breakdowns. And if you are confused between the Ordinary's multipeptides plus copper peptides 1% serum and the Biossance squalane plus copper peptide rapid plumping serum, then you are not alone. Now, both are cult favorites packed with skin loving peptides. Today, I'm breaking down the formulas, textures, price, performance, and ultimately which one is actually worth your money. So, whether you are on a budget or looking to invest in premium skincare, this video has you covered. One is affordable and minimal, and the other is luxe and hydrating. But which one actually delivers on results? Grab your drink and let's get into it. So, what exactly are copper peptides? In simple terms, they are tiny protein fragments that are bonded with copper ions, and together they create a powerhouse ingredient for skin repair and regeneration. The most common form you will see in skincare is GHKCU. It naturally occurs in our bodies and plays a big role in things like stimulating collagen and elastin, repairing damaged skin, and keeping the skin barrier strong and healthy. It improves firmness and elasticity over time. Think of copper peptides as your skin's personal healing and firming agent, helping it to bounce back and stay plump and age more gracefully. Okay, so now that we know what copper peptides are, let's talk about why everyone is suddenly obsessed with them. Seriously, it feels like every skincare influencer is talking about these blue serums. These are barrier friendly, anti aging, and that copper glow. But what's the actual hype? Well, copper peptides hit this perfect sweet spot in skincare. First, they boost collagen and elastin, two proteins your skin naturally loses as you age. That means firmer, bouncier, and smoother skin over time. But unlike retinol or exfoliating acids, they don't cause irritation, dryness, or peeling. They are gentle enough for daily use and even for sensitive skin types. Secondly, they help repair your skin barrier. If you have ever over exfoliated, had a damaged skin barrier, or felt like your skin wasn't just thriving, copper peptides can help reset it. They promote healing, reduce redness, and supports your skin's natural recovery process. Thirdly, they are science backed and aesthetic. GHK-Cu peptides have been used in wound healing since the 70s, but now they are bottled in these gorgeous blue serums. You are getting hydration, anti aging, barrier support, and a bit of skincare luxury in one step. That's what makes copper peptides a favorite right now. So, with all that in mind, let's break down how the ordinaries and the Biossance copper peptide serums actually stack up. Because, yes, they both use copper peptides, but they feel completely different on the skin. So let's first talk about the ordinary multipeptide plus copper peptides 1% serum. Now, it's a high performance water based serum that combines multiple peptides with 1% copper tripeptide, also known as GHKCU, targeting the signs of aging, improving skin health, and supporting visible skin renewal. It's known for being affordable, effective, and packed with actives without added fragrance, silicones, or unnecessary fillers. It retails for $38 for 30 ml of product and around 2600 to 3000 rupees depending on the retailer in India. And in UAE, it is around 110 to 130 AED. This is pricier than the other ordinary serums but still very affordable compared to the luxury copper peptide formulas. Here's what makes this serum a multi-peptide powerhouse. It has Matrixyl 3000, which is a combination of palmitoyl tetrapeptide 7 plus palmitoyl tripeptide 1 that boosts collagen synthesis, reduces the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. It has Matrixyl synthase 6, also known as palmitoyl tripeptide 38, that stimulates six components of skin's structure. These are collagen 1, 3, 4, fibronectin, hyaluronic acid, and laminin 5. That's why it's called synthase 6. It helps synthesize six essential building blocks of youthful skin. It fades deep wrinkles and supports firm, bouncy skin. It's especially effective on crow's feet and forehead lines. Now, this peptide is more targeted towards deeper wrinkle repair and dermal rebuilding, which makes it a strong addition to this serum. It has SYN-AIC, dipeptide diaminobutyryl benzylamide diacetate, that mimics the effect of peptide found in snake venom. It relaxes facial tension like a mild Botox effect. It has argirelox or acetyl hexapeptide 8 plus pentapeptide 18 that targets expression lines and surface wrinkles. Now it also has Lactococcus ferment lysate that supports microbiome health and skin barrier function. It has amino acids plus hyaluronic acid that provide lightweight hydration and skin conditioning. Now, the texture of this serum has a watery gel serum consistency. Its light blue color is due to the natural copper content. It absorbs quickly, slightly tacky at first, but settles down. It's non greasy, fragrance free, and suitable for layering. So, let it absorb fully before layering with other actives to avoid peeling. Use this serum AM or PM or both after cleansing and toning. Apply a few drops to the face and neck before heavier serums or moisturizers. Avoid using this serum with pure vitamin C or ascorbic acid or other strong acids in the same routine as they can destabilize the peptides. Why this serum is loved by so many people? Because it's high performance at a drugstore price, you are getting a cocktail of anti aging peptides and copper for a fraction of what luxury brands charge. It's minimal and science backed. There is no added fragrance, no essential oils. But this serum is fragrance free but not odor free. One thing to note is that yes, the ordinary multipeptide plus copper peptides 1% is technically fragrance free, which means no added perfumes or essential oils, but that doesn't mean it's odorless. Because of the high concentration of copper peptides and fermented ingredients like Lactococcus ferment lysate, the serum has a noticeable metallic scent that some users find unpleasant at first. It's a little sciencey, smelling like metal and skincare labs mixed together. It fades after a few minutes once the serum is absorbed, but it's something you should notice or you should expect if you are sensitive to smells. It's not a deal breaker for most people, but it's definitely not your fresh floral serum experience. This serum isn't just about copper, it's a full on peptide cocktail. You are getting Matrixyl 3000, Synth 8, Argirelox, and even Matrixyl Synthase 6, which is a premium peptide that targets 6 key skin building proteins. That's why this serum is such a standout. It's basically a skin strengthening and wrinkle fighting complex in one little blue bottle. Now let's move on to the Biossance Squalene plus Copper Peptide Rapid Plumping Serum. What it is, this is a luxury multifunctional serum that combines GHKCU copper peptides with deeply hydrating and barrier supporting ingredients like hyaluronic acid, polyglutamic acid, and plant derived squalane. It promises instant and long term hydration, plumping, and visible skin firmness. Now, this serum is designed to give a glass skin glow, improve elasticity, and reduce fine lines, all while being gentle enough for daily use. It retails for about $68 for 50 ml, and in India it's about 6,000 to 8,000 rupees. In UAE, it's around 260 to 290 AED. Yes, it's significantly more expensive than the ordinary, but it offers a richer, more hydrating formula and is targeted toward drier, mature, or dehydrated skin types. Now, what are the key ingredients present in this serum? Let's talk about what's actually inside this bottle. Because Biossance didn't just throw in copper peptides and call it a day, this formula is stacked with barrier loving, hydration boosting ingredients. It has copper peptides, these are naturally blue hued vegan peptides, specifically GHKCU, known to firm, repair, and stimulate collagen production. They help restore that youthful bounce to your skin. But just a heads up, Biossance doesn't disclose the exact percentage of copper peptides, so we know it's in there, but we can't compare its strength directly with something like the Ordinary's 1% copper peptide serum. It has copper PCA, a more bioavailable form of copper that also helps regulate oil production, offers antioxidant protection, and supports collagen synthesis. This makes the serum great even for combo or stressed skin. Now, it also has palmitoyl hexapeptide 52 and tetrapeptide 30. These peptides helps with brightening, firming, and reducing visible signs of aging. They support skin tone and smoothness and are especially useful for fine lines and uneven texture. It has paracress extract. This is a medicinal floral extract that offers a natural lifting effect. It helps to instantly firm and tighten the skin, making it look smoother and more sculpted even right after application. Think of it like a natural muscle relaxer, softening expression lines for more youthful appearance. It has actoin. This is a stress protecting molecule known to defend your skin against environmental damage like pollution, UV stress, and dryness. It acts like a mini shield for your skin while also hydrating it from within. There is a rapid plumping complex. This is a trio of hyaluronic acid, polyglutamic acid, and sugarcane derived squalane. Together, they pull water deep into the skin and lock in moisture for a long lasting plump glass skin effect. The plumpness isn't just temporary, it gives both short term glow and long term hydration support. It has squalane that's plant derived. This is Biosan's hero ingredient. It's lightweight, non comedogenic, and mimics your skin's natural oils, so it replenishes the skin barrier without feeling greasy or heavy. It also helps seal in all the actives and hydration underneath. There are some botanical extracts and antioxidants plus calming agents in it. Green tea or Camellia sinensis, antioxidant and anti inflammatory. It has aloe vera flower, soothing and hydrating. Passion flower, neem, turmeric, eggplant, basil, coccinia, and tulsi, a cocktail of traditional healing botanicals that calm, brighten, and strengthen the skin. These extracts support the skin holistically, calming inflammation, improving skin tone, and providing antioxidant defense. Let's talk about the texture and experience because with this serum, it's just as much about how it feels as what it does. Texture is lightweight gel serum, not watery like the Ordinary's copper serum, but not as thick as a cream either. It glides on smoothly and has a silky, slightly cushiony feel thanks to the squalane and polyglutamic acid. Color is naturally blue tone thanks to copper peptides in it. This blue is subtle, more of a cool pale tint than a bright color. There are no artificial colorants, the shade is purely from GHKCU complex. It feels plush and hydrating like a splash of water locked into a serum. It leaves a dewy, radiant finish, not greasy but definitely luminous. Skin looks visibly plumped within minutes of application. There is no stickiness or pilling. It layers beautifully under moisturizers, sunscreen, or even under makeup. It's fragrance free, but it does have a mild, earthy scent, likely from the squalane and botanical extracts. There are no added perfumes, but the natural ingredients do have a very faint, plant based smell that fades quickly. This serum feels like a drink of water for your skin. It's silky, smooth, and leaves your face looking fresh, dewy, and bouncy without any stickiness or heaviness. The kind of texture that makes you want to use it every day. You can use this serum morning or night after toner or essence. Apply it to your face and neck. Follow up with a moisturizer and sunscreen if you are using it in the morning. It works well under makeup thanks to its smoothing and plumping effects. Why people love this serum? It shows instant visible results, plumps, hydrates, and adds a glow right after use. It makes skin feel soft, elastic, and healthy. It's clean and gentle formula, it's fragrance free, essential oil free, and it's non comedogenic. It's EWG verified and suitable for sensitive skin. It provides all in one luxury feel. It combines peptides for hydration and barrier support, so there is no need to layer multiple products. So, which one do I prefer? So, after using both of these, here's my honest take. When it comes to anti aging power, I personally prefer the Ordinary's multipeptide plus copper peptides 1% serum. Because the ingredient list is stacked with the targeted, clinically backed peptides, not just copper but Matrixyl 3000, Matrixyl Synthase 6, Syn-8, RG-Relox, and more. These are all designed to firm the skin, reduce fine lines, support collagen, and give you long term results if you are consistent. It's less about instant gratification and more about skin that gets stronger and smoother over time. Now, that being said, I really love the Biosan serum too, but for different reasons. This one gives me that immediate plumping effect. The hydration boost is unreal, the texture is beautiful, and my skin feels soft, bouncy, and dewy right after I apply it. It's luxurious, calming, and perfect for days when my skin feels dry, tired, or just needs a refresh. So for me, the Ordinary is treatment focused, while the Biossance is hydration and glow focused. The Ordinary Copper Peptide Serum is best for anyone focused on anti-aging, firmness, and skin structure. People who are 25 plus and who want to prevent or treat fine lines and loss of elasticity. People with oily combination or normal skin types. Or if you are okay layering in your own hydration or moisturizer. It's also a great choice if you want serious actives without breaking the bank. And this serum is best for dry, dehydrated, or dull skin that craves instant hydration and glow, or people with a damaged skin barrier or environmental sensitivity, or anyone who wants a luxury all in one serum that feels soothing and gentle. It's great for sensitive skin types or beginners who are just starting out with peptides. So honestly, both are great, but they serve very different skin needs. If you are looking to tackle wrinkles, fine lines, and collagen loss, I would go for the ordinary. But if hydration, glow, and instant softness are what you are after, Biossance will give you that plush, radiant finish you will fall in love with. And that's it for today's video. I hope this deep dive helped you understand the differences between the ordinary copper peptides and the Bioscience Rapid Plumping Serum and which one might work better for your skin goals. If you have tried either of these or if you have a favorite copper peptide product, let me know in the comments below. And if you are planning to buy either of these, don't forget you can use my YesStyle code for a little discount. I will also leave my referral link in the description below to make things easy. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future skincare deep dives. Until next time, stay glowing, stay curious, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.